Let's fix AirPods if they're not showing up on Bluetooth. Now, if you have certain AirPods or AirPods Pro and you're trying to connect them through Bluetooth, they're not showing up, I'm going to walk you through a few different steps to get that fixed. Let's hop into our settings first here, and we'll tap on Bluetooth. Now, the first and easiest thing is we'll just toggle Bluetooth off here, wait a few seconds, and toggle it back on. Now, we're going to open up the case on our AirPods or AirPods Pro, and we'll want to see if they're connecting through that Bluetooth. You can see mine automatically connected, Trevor's AirPods Pro here. I can hit that little eye right there, and it'll indicate that I'm connected. Now, at the very bottom here, I could always hit forget this device and then just reconnect to them if I wanted to. But if they're still not popping up, even on this Bluetooth list, what you want to do is turn your AirPods into basically pairing mode. So what you're going to do is at the very back, there's a button, a white button. While the case is still open, you're going to tap and hold that button. That will convert your AirPods into basically pairing mode, and will give it basically a message that says you want to connect with new devices in your area and try to reach out and connect through Bluetooth. So just tap and hold that. If it still doesn't work, just keep holding it, and eventually it will switch to an amber light, meaning it's basically been factory reset. And at that point, you can always just tap it again with that case open, and basically it'll be factory reset. You'll be able to connect to your phone again through Bluetooth. If all of that doesn't work, then potentially there's an issue with either the Bluetooth on your phone or on your AirPods, and you might need to take them into Apple to have them check it out and make sure that it's not a software or hardware issue on either of those two devices. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.